Hi, I'm Jacob Schroeder from Hydro Systems, and I'm going to show you guys how to program a total eclipse controller. So the first step is knowing what kind of pump stand we're working with. Is it a LM pump or is it an eclipse pump? And we have to know also our formulas. So beforehand, we have some offline software where we can load formulas in with a USB stick. I'll show you how to do that, but also show you how to do this from scratch. Anything we can do with the offline program, we can also do on here. So I'm going to go to the installer menu, and the default password is 01234. All right, and so right now I'm going to act like I have a USB stick, and actually have a USB stick, and to say, hey, I have all our formulas already on here. So I went to data transfer. I'm going to go to read setup, and I'm going to stick my USB stick in. I've always gone the wrong way. There we go. All right, then I see my setup files, and I can choose whatever formulas I want to enter into there. But I'm also going to act like, hey, what if I don't have this? What if I have to do this manually? So I'm going to go back, and I'm within the installer menu. So if I want to program my formulas, there's a program formulas right there. I can go into that, and then I can see Formula 1, Formula 2, and I can keep diving deeper into it, where I can go to my product settings, and I can choose for each product how many ounces I want to use, and I can put a delay in for each product if I want, or multiple amounts of this product if we get multiple signals from the washing machine. So I would do that for each product and each formula. So much quicker to do with the offline software, but I can go in and also do that on the screen here. So after I enter my formulas, I have to know kind of the configuration of my setup. So I'm going to go into initial system setup, and there is an operation mode. That's an important one. It tells you how we're getting the signals. So if it's in standard mode, it says, hey, when we get a signal for product 1, we're going to energize product 1 for the amount that's programmed. There's also a relay mode that people use. That's however long a signal is on, that's how long a pump will be on. So if signal 2 is on for 10 seconds, pump 2 will run for 10 seconds. So there's a lot of other modes. I won't talk about them. I'll just stick to standard and relay. Standard's your most basic. So I'll select that. Then I'll go down to set dispenser interface. So this controller is used with many of our pump stands, and so we have to tell the controller what pump stand we're working with. In this case, I'm working with an LM pump, and I'm also working with an LM pump with a flush manifold. So I'm going to choose flush PI here, flush pump interface. And it asks me, hey, what's my flush time? Rule of thumb is 1 second for each foot of discharge length. So let's say I have about 15 feet to my washer. Oops, 15 feet to my washer. I'm going to set that to 15 seconds. All right. And then after that is set, I have to calibrate each product, or else it won't let me run. The way you calibrate is you go to installer service products, calibration, and you get a few different options. The most standard one people use is calibrate by time. That is where a pump runs for 20 seconds. You have a graduated cylinder and catch what's dispensed in 20 seconds, and you enter that in here. So, and then it comes up with the formula to determine the flow rate. And after that's done, you are ready to go. But let's say we're done running. We ran for a month and we want to collect some data. We can go back to data transfer. And I can put my USB stick in. And I can write my setup file and actually load that onto other controllers. I can write my activity log. If I want to name it, I'll just name it 0 to keep it simple now. and then just reports if I want to send those out for how much chemicals used, what loads were ran. I can choose my date range. We'll name it something. We'll wait for it to load to the USB stick. All right, and we're done. So that is how we program a total eclipse controller.